Hey people, what's good? Right, I have another wicked unboxing for you, and this one is courtesy of my fan from Dr Martens, who have, I think, provided me with the privilege of giving the first look in the world at the forthcoming WTaps collaboration. Now, this sort of partnership dates back to 2007. This is the third time that we're seeing WTaps and Dr Martens team up. The first one was in 2007, then followed up 3 years later in 2010. Now, to help celebrate the 60th anniversary of the 1460 boot. So iconic, right? 60 years of these Doc Martens, it's insane. They've teamed up once again. So, the boots. Now, these are absolutely wicked, as you'd expect, because, you know, WTaps one of my favorite Japanese streetwear brands. Dr Martens one of my favorite footwear brands. Yo, it's a look. It's an absolute look. Now, WTaps never do things by halves, and they always try to flip things up, and they've done it impeccably with this. You know, definitely paying due reverence to the home of the world bootmakers, Northampton. You know, if you want anything boots, Northampton is where it's at in terms of shoemaking and in terms of boot making. It's legendary. Right, all your favorite brands are from there. But anyway, right, to the boots. Now, these are absolutely exquisite. Check that out. The quality of the leather, as you'd expect from a Dr Martens boot, is apparent even from this far away, and then I bring it even closer so you can check up how smooth that is. Look at that. Now, one of the first things that's apparent, there's no laces. What we have here are the military inspired clips that WTaps have added as their little touch to this DNA. Then we have the exposed steel toe cap, which was first seen on the Bathing Ape collaborations. But look at that, the double T right there in your face. And then we flip it to the side. The embossing here, well, that is the coordinates for the WTaps store in Tokyo. What a wicked touch. And you have the classic airwear sole. 60 years of this bad boy. And the thing is, it's not the usual color. This is in black to give these a stealth look. Now, one of the key things that you might be wondering, if this is the first time you're seeing them, is when are they going to be available? Well, this is the thing. There's only going to be 1,460 pairs, as with all the previous Dr Martens collabs that have come out this year in celebration of this amazing anniversary, this amazing milestone. Well, the date for your diary, mark in your calendars. November the 28th is when these bad boys are available at select accounts only. All right, so there you go. Shouts to my Dr Martens fan for looking out. Shouts to WTaps for killing it once again. And to you people, stay safe and stay healthy. One love.